If you suffer from maskne, I do not, but I wanted to let you know about a tip that I have heard from a number of ladies who say that it works really well. Again, I don't have that problem, but I wanted to pass it along. Our Seint toner. It's part of our skincare line, and it has 3 different things in it for sure that I know of that would help with maskne. One, it has aloe vera, which is kind of like a soothing, moisturizing balm. It adds nutrients, it cleanses pores, and so all of those things would be good for preventing acne and soothing your skin so that it's not irritated. Also, aloe vera has exfoliating properties to slough away the dead skin cells and the old skin. It has antioxidants and nutrients in it that put that back into your skin to soften it, to moisturize it, and to soothe it from being irritated. Another thing that it has in it is witch hazel, and witch hazel is good for cleansing your pores. It is good for preventing acne. A lot of acne type products have witch hazel in them. It shrinks your pores so that it's not absorbing everything. So it's definitely a preventative to help fight acne. And witch hazel is also known to help with skin irritations and itching. So the other thing that it has in it is lactic acid, and lactic acid is found in milk. It's a really hot thing that is in the skincare industry because it is an exfoliant. It's not an aggressive exfoliant like some AHAs are, but it is a mild exfoliant. So again, getting away that bacteria, the dirt, the oils, all of that, and kind of sloughing that away is going to help. So all of those things together are in our Seint toner. This is the only toner that I have ever had that has a spray. It's nice to have the option to spray it. You can just spray it on your skin, on that area, to kind of put a protective barrier. It will dry within seconds, and that's something you could easily carry in your handbag or keep in your desk drawer. And so try it out. It's working for a lot of women, and it may prevent you from getting maskne as more and more of us are having to get back into the habit of wearing masks on a regular basis. So hot tip, everyone's skin is different, and even if it doesn't completely cure you of maskne, those things are still well documented, been around for a long time. They're well known to be healthy for your skin, improve your skin. Whether you get maskne or not, it should help your skin regardless. I can hook you up if you need any. It's Seint toner. All of our skin line is great. I love it. And so if you need any, let me know. Thanks.